the seller also, because to avoid the overspend marketing spree. Then the next one will be the follow price type. Cannot choose, only is voucher. The reward type is same. With the voucher, only have 2 discount or point cashback. Same. I do recommend you guys put the discount. Then discount type is also same. Got 2 fixed amount or by percentage. Just like the just now example, if percentage, if for example the minimum spend 20, they can get 10% off. If the fixed amount is, for example, 20 ringgit, they can get 2 ringgit off. So I choose the fixed amount, then I put 2 ringgit. The minimum basket price is the required minimum spend, so I put 20 also. Then the follow price quantity, maybe I put 1,000. So it's same with the voucher. The claim of the voucher and the use of the voucher is same. The claim, because many people have claimed your voucher but didn't use. So please take note on that and click confirm when you finish all the thing. Then let's back to the list page. Okay, so you can edit, delete, and see the data anytime, anywhere. So let's back to the slide. So these are the steps. You can read by your own if you forget. So when you create the follow price, right, this is the buyer view. So when you create a follow price, when the buyer have entered your shop, right, it will automatically pop up a window to say that follow now to get the voucher. And another one is when you have an ongoing follow price event, then we have a small voucher logo beside your follow button to let the customer know they have a follow price event. Then the next one will be the top pick. The top pick is a feature designed for the seller to increase the cross sales for their product. Why I say like that is because of with this feature, right, the seller can create a collection of minimum 4 product, maximum 8 item to display on their product page. So this function is similar with when you're going to the popular bookstore, right? They will have a rack to tell you this books is the best selling in this month. So this is a similar function with the top pick. So can help you to cross-selling your product to the customer. So how to create the top pick is you go to the seller center, same, click the marketing center, then click the top pick, then select the product and activate it. So same, I will show you the live demo step by step how to create the top pick. So same, you go to the Shopee Seller Center, then you click the Marketing Center across, then select the top pick, then select the Add Collection. Maximum collection you can create is 10. So put the collection name. For example, you want to put hot selling item. It's up to you. Same with other, this is only for your reference and the buyer cannot see it. After you fill in the name, then you click Add Product. Select the product that you want, minimum 4 product and maximum 8 product. For example, I select 5 product, click Confirm. So you can arrange your product sequence just by clicking this. So you can pull, maybe I want this product in the first page, so I'll just click this to pull in the first page. Here is the preview of the buyer view, so you can see your product sequence. And after that, you finish all the thing right, just click Confirm. Then click Activate Now. Then you are finished. This you are done to create the top pick. So let's back to the slide. Same with other, right? This is you can edit, preview anytime. So back to the slide. So as I mentioned, right, just now the minimum you need to put is 4 products. So when one of your product is sold out, right, It means that less than 4 valid products to display, the entire topic collection will be hidden. And the next one is, for example, I got 6 products, one of the product been sold out, so the sold out product will be automatically hidden. So please do remember to check your store and inventory to avoid this kind of problem happen. Okay, so that's all for my part. So now is the graphic game, right? I think. Okay, thank you everyone for joining me today. This is my first time being here, so I may have some nervous. So if anything, just tell me that I will improve in the next time. Thank you everyone.